Alright, so a little bit of an update here on the Slash project. So last video you saw me do a bit of a unboxing and what's in the box kind of thing. Some upgrades, not all of them. As you can see, I got some wheels, but not all of them. So what happened was I ordered a full set of 4 wheels on Amazon, and only 2 of the 4 showed up. Did some messaging and stuff, and Horizon Hobby was actually the seller and said, oh, we actually ran out. I got the last pair, and they refunded me for the other pair. No harm, no foul. So kudos to Horizon for answering, doing the right thing, refunding me. And unfortunately I did have to go elsewhere, but I have 2 more pairs of wheels on the way for a total of 6. Right now I only have 2. So the good news is the rear tires are no longer bald. Went ahead and got the Proline KR2 Baja tires on there. Nice and meaty. There we go. And I mounted those up. Glued them down. Got another pair here ready to go for when the other wheels show up. Proline tires, yeah, they're a little bit pricey, but you know, you get what you pay for. Proline makes awesome tires. Highly recommend it if you can splurge a little bit. If you got the money to spend, go for it. And I got these about to go in when I get the next set of wheels, because I ordered all rear wheels. So I got the RPM offset compensating to focus. Come on. Get in there. I promise you don't have cataracts, but if you do, you probably can't read this anyways, if with or without your glasses. Anyway, I promise that says offset compensating front arms. So, yeah, these are for, maybe you can read it now. There we go. Yeah, offset compensating front arms for Traxxas Slash 2-wheel drive. So yeah, very important right there. Requires Traxxas 2-wheel drive rear offset wheels, which are also the same as all of the 4-wheel drive wheels. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's from what I understand. So I ordered my other set of wheels. They will be here. They're all rear offset. So I'll be running these arms, and it will be the same all the way around. So that way, no more confusion about is this a front wheel, back wheel. It won't matter anymore. I do still have the old back wheels. I'll probably rip these tires off. Use them for, maybe I'll just toss some paddle tires on them in case I ever go rip in the sand. So these are good spare rear wheels for whatever I decide to do with them. Oh, and the other thing I got a pack of these. Forgive my pronunciation. Is it integy or integy? I don't know. I got these. They are the rear spring set for the Traxxas Slash in various rates. You got hard, soft, and in between. These are the hard ones here, the orange. I originally stuck those back there, but it was actually way too stiff. So I went with the medium spring, which is black. They are on the truck, so these are the stock white springs that came off the truck. So yeah, went and put the black springs on there on the back. So the rear does not sag anymore. See, I set it down. Yep. The rear used to sit all the way down with the tire under the fender, but not anymore. So I took the rear shock spacers out, and it's definitely extends the shock all the way with a stiffer spring. Like I said, I tried the orange ones at first, which were way too stiff. So the medium seems just right. I'm going to try and get this thing out for a rip and see how it does with the new setup. Now that I'll have some bite in the back, it's not going to be a squirrely beast just spinning the tires everywhere. It'll actually hook up, bite, and hopefully do some shredding. So, and yeah, with the new springs, they are a little soft. They're not as soft as the stock, obviously, So I don't know if it's going to be too firm and it's just going to skip around and bounce off of everything. But I figured with enough weight in the back with the motor and the battery and everything in there, that maybe, because, I mean, it pushes back, but it's not super hard to push down. The front's nice and soft though, because there's nothing up there weight-wise, just the servo. So yeah, my idea and hopes and estimations are that this will be just right. So anyway, thanks for checking out a quick little update. Hopefully the next time you see it, it'll be out there shredding some dirt. See ya.